it's on.
What we do here at Photo Wrap is pretty much a step above a lot of people in this industry. As you see, there's no door handle hardware on this truck right now. We go to the next step of removing anything we can get removed. So the vinyl itself will be underneath any trim, any doorknobs, headlights, mirrors. As you see, the mirror's gone as well. Because, I mean, it's common sense. If it's around there, we cut it. With the heat in Kansas City, we all know it gets 100 degrees plus. Heat and vinyl equals shrinkage. So we just try to, like I say, go the extra mile, spend a little extra time taking some things off, prep it. You know, the best work is always usually about the prep work. So, and we very seldom charge for stuff like this because to me it's just part of it. So you'll see that once we get this hardware back on, you'll see how nice this is, and you'll wonder why everyone doesn't do it this way. I mean, as you see, no matter how much heat will come into play, it's not going to matter because all this vinyl, 100%, not 60 or 80, but 100% of this vinyl is underneath, protected by the hardware. So there you have it. Now you got a nice smooth area to work with. That'll all get covered up and you'll see that here in a second. So stay tuned. We'll be back.